Yeah, move away, move away.
Give space, give space.
Give us some space.
I'm not
Make it fast! Make it fast! Let the vehicle move fast! Let it move fast! I'm not well at all! Make it fast! Make it fast! Let the vehicle move!
Move fast.
Go fast, go
Hey,
fast.
move. Give space, give space. Move. Hey, move.
Show the way.
Give space.
When did you wake up?
I didn't even sleep to get up. Lot of body pain.
My hands are paining, leg and complete body is also paining. Something is wrong with me. What is going on at Vaidya's place?
Who knows? Oh, this back pain. If he gets up early and opens, it'll be nice.
Oh, yeah, stop. Yeah, come on.
You can collect the money later on.
Careful.
Take me slowly. My dear friend, is anyone inside?
Yes. He's just reached after his morning walk.
Oh, I'm not well at all.
First, you go and come.
Thank you.
Brother, nobody should have this much of pain.
Give me fast. 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 Give me fast.
Slowly.
One more. Quick.
Have it slowly, man.
Vasu, actually you have to increase the dosage of the medicine. We will again meet, okay? Okay, I will definitely check the quality next time.
Milk.
Oh, so you have reached finally. What happened? Why are you so late today?
Sir, this is not society milk. This milk, I got it from my house. It is pure. That's why it took so much time.
That is the reason you're late today. But I just need normal milk because I have to serve a lot of
That is the
customers here.
speciality of my milk.
Tangappa. Hey, Tangappa. Hey, Tangappa.
Yes, sir, here I come.
Come, take this milk. This time, Karili Club program should be celebrated in a very grand manner.
Let's see if we can conduct the festival without them. I'm sure we can.
Correctly said,
Hey,
brother.
Yeah.
They did not ask your opinion. Just get inside. They have collected money from all of us, but the celebration was not grand at all. We should not leave them like that. This year, you should conduct the program. We all will unite together. Hey, Prakasan, keep this. My contribution for this year's celebration.
20 rupees.
Yeah.
Sir, what did he do for that?
This is what I can give now. I'm not very rich, you know.
For some days, he took care of the club, no? We'll take care now.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
this is the matter of our prestige.
Oh, that I'm not prepared today.
It is not about pressure cooker. If they come again, we'll definitely not let them inside.
You're absolutely right. Oh, you thought you're a big boss or what? What are you doing? Completely drunk and coming to market to buy vegetables. Do you have any sense? Don't you have any relatives at home? Huh? Get lost from here.
He started morning.
Bloody fool. What? What are you looking at? Get out! Get lost, I said. You all don't know about me. Oh!
Shark. Who asked for the shark fish?
Move away! I said move away! Who's selling fish here? Come on, tell me! Who's selling the fish? Is this the fish are you selling? Good for nothing. I will not leave anyone. Hey! I will not leave anybody. Hey! Move away! I said move away, guys. Hey! I'll kill you guys. Hey! Everyone should move away when I'm coming to this market. Do you understand? Hey! What are you staring at me for? Stupid vegetable. Take it to your house first. If you don't do business reasonably, I will destroy your... Bloody fool. What do you think? Don't you think what I'm telling is correct?
We are going to start temple festival. Can you contribute whatever you can?
I have just started, sir.
What, guys? Stupid fellows. Hey! What are the programs you're conducting? Kathakali or any other classical dance? You think you're all very smart group? When my guys were remaining silent, you people started showing off. They are about to start their job. Just wait and see. Now you people have to keep your mouth shut. My guys are entering this village. When they come, you all should be here, okay? Did you hear? Get lost! Hey,
What? Leave me. Looking from that time? You're creating some problem here?
hey,
Drinking
I
and
said
all?
leave me.
What is this? Huh? You're doing all this with us? What do
Hey.
you think of yourself?
Move away! Hey! Hey! Don't know about me, hey!
Hey, move away.
My children!
Big brother.
Come. My dear friends, what do you get inside the jail nowadays to eat?
Sunday they will give us parota and chicken.
Very good. That's nice to hear.
Huh?
You guys are the new people responsible here, huh?
You remember the old committee, right?
I am the president. My name is Sudhinder.
Secretary, Velachari, Nandu. Cashier, Coembed, Anwar.
I'm a very soft person, the president. From today, if somebody else's name is uttered from the mic in this place, explain to them, guys.
Then there won't be mic or amplifier.
Do you understand that?
Get
lost,
you
you guys. Just go away, man.
Oh my god, these guys have come from the jail. We are getting into a problem now. Hey, Tangapan, take all the sweets from the cupboard and keep this banana also inside. These guys are coming.
Okay.
Quick. Take it
That's my
inside.
job only, I'll
Come
do it
on,
now.
quick. These guys are coming. Keep it inside.
Okay.
Now let me see whether these guys can eat without giving money.
That's what.
What do they think of themselves?
Let's see, sir, what they're going to do now. What, man? There's nothing to eat?
Yeah, everything is inside. Because of certain situation, I've kept everything inside. Kannappan, you just sit here. I'll bring it now. What do you want to eat?
Idli and side
Okay,
dish.
I will bring it now. Hey, Tankapan,
Yes,
bring
sir.
that appam and curry alone from inside. Come on,
Okay.
quick. Why are you lazy today? Come on, make it fast. Come on,
Feeling
quick.
hungry, quick.
Brother, the food is very delicious today. Big brother, what are you staring at us? Huh? You will not prosper at all in your life. Big brother, egg curry is very spicy. Get me some more, please. I will mix some poisoned egg curry and give it to you.
It's been long since I ate something good.
Yeah.
Sir, today chicken curry is very less.
Yes, brother, very less. We have egg, that is
Yeah.
enough.
Now who's going to pay the money for all this? What I will give. What about the payment you ate last time? That's all given free. Then how can I run my business? See, don't waste much of your time. We actually require some more bananas. Okay, do one thing. You give the banana completely. We'll have it while we are traveling. I'm going to suicide myself. No, why are you staring at me? Get out. Don't wander here and go to home fast.
You tell us, big brother. Whom do you want us to take revenge upon? We'll do that.
Is that necessary, my dear? Actually, I have a different plan for that. For example, you know the troublemaker Vasu? We have to give him first, you know.
Yeah, that's good. Everyone should come to know.
What did he do for you?
When I was in a difficult position, I had asked some money from him. He's telling me he stopped lending money.
You should have kicked him there itself.
That's what I should
From
have done.
now on, in this village, who does what, all this we will take the decision.
Yeah.
Ah.
Why is he playing the mobile in the middle of the road? Hey, stop. Why can't you walk properly? Are you blind or what? People like you don't have any work in the morning. Get lost.
Yeah, go, man.
Stupid
Fool, get lost.
Don't turn this side. See what guts he's got staring at us? Why are you riding a bicycle so fast? Get down and just walk slowly.
Yeah,
Come on.
go.
I said go.
Ah.
He's got a very old
To
bicycle.
exchange 500 and 1000, did you go to bank, grandma?
Hey, stupid guys.
Madam, we are all very soft boys.
She's old, but
Will not
she's
change
strong.
your life
What
at
to
all.
say?
Okay, what will happen to the matter?
Just come, guys. Don't worry.
It's been 3 months, but the house looks the same.
I think nobody's inside the house.
It is so silent, right?
My dear guys, I'm just going to create a scene
Simply
now.
don't talk something, man.
Just wait and watch. Ooh, who's inside?
Nobody's there in the house.
Eh?
Is there no one here?
Is anyone inside?
Hi, brother. Mom, brother has come. Best team. Suddenly you guys disappear.
We are always like that.
Come, sit.
Sit down, sit down.
And then what else is happening? You're fine, right?
You came back?
Sit here, man.
Mommy?
Who's there?
I think we'll get into a problem.
Let's run.
He's not seen me.
Stand there only. Do I have to tell you alone? Who are you, man?
This is Anwar.
This is Nandu.
This is Sudhindran.
I'm a very soft man, you know that.
Stupid idiot fellows. You all started a chit fund. You all took a money from the whole village and ran away from here. I had to pledge the jewels of my wife and then clear all the problem. Look at this. I have paid 2,36,000.
I think the amount is not correct.
See, stop, you stupid fella. This money, only after you come and give it to my wife, only then you can step into this house. Till then, I don't want to see your four of the faces. If I see, get lost. Come on, let's go. Oh God.
Stop, man. Stop there, man.
I'm telling you, right? Stop there itself. Stop, man.
Stop there, I say.
Stop, man.
Hey, I'll
Stop
kill
there
you, okay?
itself. I'm telling you, right? Stop there itself.
Hey, I'm telling you,
Catch him,
stop
guys.
there.
Come. Let's catch him. Come. Hey, stop there itself.
Stop
I'll
there.
kill you. Stop there itself.
Stop there.
Oh God.
Yeah,
Just
just
come
man.
now.
Son of a bitch, are you trying to cheat?
Did
You thought we won't come back, huh?
Jail is like our own house.
I had a small doubt that day itself. I know he's a cheater.
How much money did you take from my dad, huh?
4,750 only.
Chit, how much did you do for?
I did not join the chit fund. I didn't take the chit
Then
fund.
why did you take the money from him?
No, to expand the shop.
Let me make very clear to you. Tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock, you have to give back the money to him. Do you hear? Otherwise, you'll get it from me. Get lost. Get lost.
Okay.
I said get
My
lost.
cloth.
Get out.
lost. Let's go now.
Go, man.
Get out. Don't turn back.
Keep running. Go. Don't even stop.
Wait, man, I'll see you people later.
I'm a Mammootty fan.
Can we go to watch a movie?
Oh no, I won't come. My parents will kill me.
Why are you so afraid I'm there with you?
Let's go to Ashoka then. There's an English film there.
Okay, as you wish.
There are 3 musketeers there looking at us. Let's go fast. Ew, she.
Now only it's okay.
Hey, Vasu. I am really happy today, you know.
What is the reason, brother?
My guys who are inside the jail have come out very safely.
Is that so? But you should not be very proud of that, you know. My big brother, this is all simply saying. Jail is not like before. It is really nice. Yeah, I'm saying, na?
Anything if we ask, they'll give. But there is a problem. How much ever we drink, we won't go for toilet.
I am telling you with my experience. When you get nicely from the police department, how can you go to the loo?
That is correct.
Put the card.
Hey, what are
Hey,
you doing?
what happened to this man? He's silent from the morning.
Doctor said no job.
Ah, that's a good thing. Vaidya is turning into a new leaf just now.
What is the matter? Medicine that we take outside, I told it is for drinking. Huh? That doctor gave it to an old lady. Now she is taking treatment in medical college. Thank God, we escaped. If doctor goes to jail, we will be very happy.
You
That
are
is
right.
true.
We have one more work to change a black name.
Okay, sir. Okay. To tell the truth, I am having lot of problems, sir. Shall I arrange 20,000? Oh, that much is not possible. Yesterday only I had promised I'll give 4 lakhs to another person. Okay, I'll see what I can do. Okay, sir. I'll cut the phone now. For asking the loan, look at the time he's calling. What is this beautiful smell?
That is, today is my birthday, you know.
Oh, is it so? Birthday? For the 5-6 years you have been telling the same thing. Will you ever grow up or not? Because you are 20 only, I am keeping on coming here and going.
Very naughty. Leave all that. Where is my anklet?
Anklets? Where will I go and get these anklets at this hour now? What to do?
My dear sweetheart,
What?
not that.
What then?
This. This is the one.
Oh, this is what you are telling about, huh? Tomorrow itself I'll bring a better one from this and give it to you.
Why are you postponing for tomorrow? I will arrange now itself.
Definitely.
Hey, why are you putting this much only? Let's put everything. Yeah.
It's a cat. My sweet lady, wait. We do one thing.
Huh?
Let us not waste time. Come on, let's go inside and enjoy. You are wonderful. Oh, what a feeling. Ammukutti, I'll go and come now.
Call me Geeta,
What?
sweetheart.
You're always my Ammukutti. Shy, don't turn around and see. My wife will be waiting for me after cooking all the food items. I have to go quickly. Even then, I cannot wait to see you and go. Otherwise, I cannot digest my food. You made me go around you with your charm.
Sweetheart,
Oh.
you have not forgotten about the anklet, no? You love me very much, right?
Your anklet. Will I forget?
What happened? What happened? Hey, what happened? Darling, what happened?
What happened
Darling.
are you asking?
Who?
Something somewhere has happened.
What happened?
Don't
What are you
touch me,
doing?
lion. Leave me alone.
Hey.
Go away from here. Leave me alone. Go. Give me.
Stop
You
there.
people, don't do me anything. Leave me.
Stupid
leave me.
fellow. Son of a bitch. You will talk nonsense to others about
What
us,
I did
right?
was wrong. Please leave me. Let me go.
What did you do with the money you took from us? Huh?
I don't
Ah.
have the money with me now.
Where
Leave
is
me,
all
please.
our money which you took from us,
Your
huh?
money now. I'll give whenever I
When will you give, man?
I'll
Huh?
give.
Give now.
Not now. Tomorrow.
I said tell the
all
truth.
my tooth, I think. Please wait. Leave me. 1,000 rupees is not valuable now.
How much you paid her?
350 rupees I'll give now.
Just run away now. Huh?
Cheat?
Go.
Cheat? You don't return the money, you'll get it from us.
Look at him running.
Thank God.
Hey guys,
Huh?
give me about 150 bucks.
Why?
Don't ask too many questions, my dear.
Today it's enough. Let's go.
Okay. Woo! You guys have always a good heart. You will prosper in
Hey,
your
big
life.
brother. Just
I
come
am
carefully
your
now.
big brother telling you.
Brother,
Shut up
watch
now.
and come.
I can see everything.
Don't fall
properly.
down. Come.
Hey, just shut your mouth, okay? I'm able to see everything.
Yeah, be careful.
You're my dear children.
Okay, it's enough now. You just keep talking or what?
Hey,
Steps. Be
please
careful.
don't tell
Hey,
like
step,
that.
step. Hey, careful.
He
Yeah,
will
sit
even
there.
push us.
Yeah, sit there.
Okay.
Hey, hold him.
Okay, you sit here. I'll just come now.
Okay, come fast.
Go fast.
Yeah, okay. Or else no need.
You didn't knock?
Hey, I don't want to knock. You go and knock.
Oh, so you guys are afraid to knock
It's
the
not
door.
that.
What is
Matter of
this?
knocking the door.
Oh, is that
Anwar,
so?
you,
Hey,
go,
you
and
go
knock.
and knock.
I don't have any other job. If I go and knock, sister will scold me.
Shut your mouth. Just shut up.
There is a way.
That's a good idea.
Oh my God! What is this? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
This is too much. How much Whatever I tell, this fellow will not understand. Oh, you have drunken fully and you are standing here? Wait, where are those stupid fellows? Hey, you stupid fellows! If I see you again here, I'll break your legs. Don't come this side. You understand? Whatever I say, I'll do that. Hey,
Oh,
hey!
350.
They saw us, right?
hey, that's nothing, man.
Will you shut up and come?
What is he?
Hey, whatever I'm saying, you're not listening, right? It's going to rain now. Do whatever you want. Let's see if you get wet in the rain, if everything is going to be alright. Oh my god! Oh my god! What kind of a person I got married to? Hey, get lost!
Oh, God.
Hey, what happened?
See how these fellows are sleeping. It's already morning.
What? What do you want now?
What are you talking? Whom have you targeted to trouble today? Huh? I feel so shameful to keep you all at home.
It's all your mistake.
Yes, man. Now you're blaming me for everything? I've struggled so much to bring you up to this level.
Yeah, that's right. Everyone went to jail.
Get up and get lost, you stupid fellows.
One tea, please.
I want more sugar. I want milk.
I'll get you. Drink it.
You saw that? Why is she walking like this? Any problem with her leg?
What happened? You come long way.
What should I say, doctor? From past 2 days, I have so much pain in my left leg.
Left leg.
If I sleep, I can't even get up.
You should reduce your work. Is it paining when you're walking?
Yeah, it's there. When it pains, it becomes so unbearable.
Okay. Come in.
What happened to this sister?
What, man? Do you want to see the treatment?
Even I like to do medicine for her. Huh.
Okay, sit down. Keep the legs on the bench.
Oh, pain is unbearable, doctor.
What a color.
Hey, you.
Huh?
Go to the garden and get that green leaves.
That I already did in the morning. Without you telling, I've already done it.
What did you say? You're teaching me,
No,
What?
I didn't tell like that. If you put the line, I'll put the road. That's what I said. I understood you and did in the morning itself.
What about the other leaf?
That medicine, you didn't tell in the morning?
Okay, now I'm telling. Go and get it. Go. Go, man.
This is a big headache. If I see little bit, this guy doesn't lie. Hey, pain in the leg.
Without staring, go and get the things. Go.
Shall I go get it? Ayo, I'm not lucky enough.
Okay, shall I apply the oil?
It's burning.
Doctor,
What is it?
can you please make it fast? I'm not able to bear the pain.
That's it. Shall I give you the oil? Take it home, apply with the help of someone else. Okay? That is also better for me.
That's what should happen. Something that was in the hand didn't go to the mouth at all. Fantastic. Club program was very nice.
Now everyone will be proud of us. What applause we got.
Good, good. People who came from Coimbatore didn't beat us. We were very lucky.
Why do you say so?
What, man? You're talking somewhat different? Nothing. I spoke properly itself. What? Is it Africa? Can't we talk to girls jokingly? That you should talk to girls only? What are you talking,
Hey,
man?
stop, guys. This is enough. Please stop. Hey, how was the festival collection this year? What is the balance amount after spending?
3,750.
And where is the balance amount?
With that, I bought a CD player. Did you see? Did you see what he did?
Hey, relax, brother. He is also a younger brother.
Hmm.
Hey, where is Sudhi gone?
He has gone to town to bring medicines.
Hey, my dupatta! My dupatta! Hey, wait! Hello? Hey, my dupatta! Hey, wait! Give me my dupatta and go.
Did you get only my auto to fall down?
Sorry,
Take
brother.
the vehicle.
Sorry. My dupatta was on your cycle. It got stuck. That's why I was coming behind you to take it. Sorry. Dupatta. Dupatta. Okay, I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Rameshan,
Huh?
I think you have money in your
Yes,
pocket.
yes, I have it in my
Oh,
pocket.
oh.
Here, tea.
Uh. Hey, Rameshan,
Huh?
just come here.
What
Come
are
and
you
see
laughing
this.
at?
Come here.
What are you looking
See
at
that?
laughing? What? What
just
is
see
it?
the scene.
What is this? What happened to this fellow?
There is a saying, God is there to watch everything. Now I'm very happy to see that scene. He is Vaidya's son. See that boy how he's going?
If it is winter season, it has to be very cold. This time, if you open the windows and sleep, you will get fever. Listen to me first. Night time, if you get fever, it will be a big problem. For this, old doctors used to say something like this. They will say some ghost has caught you. Some medicine has come to this house. What happened to this guy? Hey, ghost has caught even this guy.
Hey, brother.
That's why he's doing like this.
Hey,
Properly
what
cross and go,
happened to
man.
him?
That's what I told.
Huh?
Oh. Brother, see the way he's standing? someone who is having stomach pain and jaundice like that?
Every person will have this feeling. Hey, Sudhi, what's her name?
Hey, I don't know.
Do you know the vehicle number?
Till KL 36 I know.
I don't know, man.
Are you very serious about her?
I can't believe it, man. She just came and I saw her. Oh, wow, she was great.
She laughed looking at you, right?
Oh, yeah, that's for sure.
Then I don't think it'll work out. Otherwise, you may have to work hard for this.
I am ready to work hard.
If she doesn't leave you, then it's okay.
Hey, just shut up.
Oh, brother, he will definitely struggle. Even we have to struggle with him.
I want to see her. I just want to keep seeing her.
Will you recognize her if you see her again?
From now, I'll identify only her.
Then that means you don't know us at all.
My dear Sudhi, we will get her for you. Somehow we will get her for you. You will have to hold her in this hand.
Huh?
Am I right?
Yes, brother.
You won't get chudidar this side. It's there. I think they have good collection over there. Please sit. Can you take those saris? You always go for Banaras saris. Please take semi-silk saris, mom.
That is the specialty of your mom. Whatever she wants, she takes perfectly. I don't know why you brought me here.
If you don't find mistakes in me, you don't get sleep, right? If you are so busy, why did you even come with us? That sari? Whatever we wear, we look beautiful only to others' eyes. Okay?
Yes, I agree. That's right.
Hello, get me that sari.
Then these are all not okay?
I'm seeing.
Oh, this is a very big store. Lot of money would have been invested.
Come quickly here.
Oh, it's such a big shop.
If we have to go to shopping mall, we have to go to city, man. City.
You haven't seen the city
I
yet.
won't go to any city leaving my hometown. You came here to correct that lady.
Oh,
Hey,
oh.
you started in the morning. Now you have to stop this.
What do you want, servant?
Actually, we need about 10 to 15-year-old girl. Where should we go and search her now? Let us have few pegs and then go on. You come soon. You guys fall in love and give us trouble.
We'll just search over there as well, no?
Hey, what happened?
Hey, what have you done now? Are you blind? Can't you see anything?
It's okay. Without knowing he did it. Leave it.
Sir, you don't bother. We have seen a lot of people like this. These people come and try to steal.
Listen to me, it's another place.
I am not bothered whoever he is. If anything wrong happens, then I'll be the first person to ask, okay? Hey, why are you staring? Get lost!
Hey.
I said get lost. You'll get it from me. I should not see you again in this place, okay? Guys, take these things and keep in the car.
No problem, we will take.
Come on, take it. Hey, that's okay, sir. Please, we'll help. Come on, come on.
Leave it. I'll collect
That's
them.
okay, sister. These guys are there to help. Take everything and keep inside the car, okay? Come on, quick. They are all my assistants. All are very good boys. May I know your name, sir?
Vasudevan.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Sir, are you from army?
No, business.
Oh, actually, that is always safe.
Okay, we'll push
sure,
off now.
What is...
Bye.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
Big brother, that's her. My girl.
Hey, that is a businessman's daughter.
That's the same girl we are searching for.
Hey,
yeah.
Then come and take the cycle.
Okay, let's go. So you have not decided to go from here? You want to face our guys? Come, let's run!
Go!
It's a simple treatment for treating these small ailments with small herbs. Simple treatment is what they say.
Oh.
With the 3 important ingredients is what this is done. For all the small ailments, this is required. Where will you understand?
Oh God, why is he boring me like this? I didn't say anything.
Eyes, nose and lips. If it's hurt, you can use this. We are removing the skin and flesh, preserving it, and this treatment can be used later on. According to the shape, it can be redone. This is what this physician has been told earlier.
Wakforden.
In the 19th century, after knowing about this only, in the foreign country they started the plastic surgery for the first time.
Doctor, who is this Wakforden?
Huh? Your father.
That guy, is it? Huh?
His eyes are giving a trouble. Oh God. Hey man, go and get the green leaves and salt. Go and get it. Who's there? Open that front door and keep, please. 4 members are brought by the 8 members. Please wait.
Yeah, take them inside fast.
Hey sister, this is Benny brother.
Get lost.
What happened to him?
Relax.
Oh my God.
Look there, Anwar. Oh, today it's houseful.
Oh my God. What is this?
Oh,
Nandu.
Come. Today doctor will give me salary.
Oh my God. What happened? What happened to him? You have got so many injuries. What happened to you? What is this? Ramesh, what happened? At least you tell me, please.
This always happens. Don't worry about it. This is regular. Keep bring him here.
They've got some
Oh my
nice
God.
beatings.
Oh my God.
Hey dear, where are the old ornaments?
All that is there now.
I am thinking of giving them away and bringing the new ornaments.
I don't want that. My mom has already given all that. Diamond necklace, pearl necklace, gold necklace. We shall give all that to Aarti and Adi. Okay?
Whatever you say is also right. In the future, we can say these are all the old hereditary ornaments, isn't it?
Sir,
Yes, come.
they have a complaint that workload is on a higher side, sir.
Okay, what can we do about it?
You should hire more employees. That's it.
Yes, sir. If you can include about 6 more people, it'll be enough, sir.
Okay, then proceed. What is the procedure? You proceed. Minimum 2 years of experience is required.
Sir, we heard that there was some problem in the shopping mall. What was it?
That is a small comedy. On her, someone had come and dashed against her. From somewhere, 4 people came and had a fight.
When I see that old fellow, he looks like fraud only.
Oh no, Mom. All 4 of them are very nice people. How do you know that? I know one amongst them. That check shirt one.
Okay, who's that boy?
He is my dupatta.
Is it the green treatment given fellow?
Sudhindran.
How do you know that fellow's name?
I know everything, Mommy.
Hey, what is that? You're standing here like a jobless?
What?
Hmm.
How are you doing, my sister?
Lot is there. First tell me what is your matter. That is okay. Which girl did you see? And you have got beaten up so
Hey.
much?
That's nothing. Just that big brother was doing something.
Tell me why did you all 4 go to town first of all?
We went to the town. Who told you this? We didn't go there.
Enough. Don't overact so much. I'll see other 3 fellows in the morning, okay? Now, good night.
Yeah, good night.
When you started roaming with those stupid fellows, I knew that somebody will break your leg and send you home one day. That happened today, no? Very good. I have told you 100 times not to join them. Do you listen to me?
Please cool down, my dear.
I will stop. I'll not talk. Now I have understood everything properly. That you only spoiled those 3 fellows also. Have understood everything now.
What? I am the reason.
Hey,
Don't
just
disturb
shut
me.
up and sleep. Oh my god! After marrying this fellow, I'm dying every day here.
My dear, please
You shut up! You don't talk! I called my brother and told him somehow within 1 month to get your visa ready. And he said yes. Now you do one thing. You start from here and get ready.
Your father will have to go instead of me.
What is that?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
Hey, if you talk about my dad, I don't
What?
know what I'm going to do to you. Hey, leave.
Let's enjoy
Hey, leave. Kid is sleeping. You don't understand anything. You see what I'm going to do to you. Look at your face. You drunken fellow. Always drinking.
Brother, shall I tell you an idea?
No, I don't want any idea of yours.
Nobody gives me a chance to tell something. I'm a small boy. When I fight, I won't know anything. They beat us nicely, right? They beat us nicely.
That's a difference between people who live at city and the people who live here. They don't have good heart at all. You haven't experienced this, right?
Brother, don't get tensed. I'm telling you, okay?
My dear child, it just happened. I'm sorry for that.
You leave that. Look at the other work.
Since we got beatings nicely, we will not back out from our decision.
Brother, you give us a solution for that.
You were telling about some idea sometime before?
I didn't tell anything.
No, you have to tell it now, my dear. I know that you are a very intelligent boy.
That too, when looking at that sister, she looks like a college-going girl. Shall we start inquiring on that? Hey, that looks nice, so that people can't say that we have not gone to college.
How is it possible?
If somebody asks, we can also say that we have gone to college, right?
Yeah, that's a very good idea. I will get a very good name inside my family also.
Big brother,
Ah.
look there. That's her. Can you see her?
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm sure that's her.
Okay,
let's go.
Come quick. I can't run anymore. Come, let's wait. Look here. She'll be coming this way now. You'll have to stop the vehicle and tell her. Other things we'll take care of.
What are you saying? Hey, Sudhi, if she really likes you, when she sees you, she will stop the vehicle. Because of shyness, her face will glow. Then she will ask, why are you standing here? Then you have to say, I've come here to pick the medicines.
Hey, just go, man.
You can talk any nonsense you want. But one thing I'm telling you. If she opens her mouth and tell you that she doesn't like you.
Hey, what is this?
You'll become mad, my dear friend.
Hey, what?
Look, she's coming. Hey, be brave. All the best. Okay,
Hey, don't go.
Come on. Nicely,
Let
man.
me.
Hi.
Hi.
Why are you here?
Hey, we just came this side because what I should say.
Hey, keep quiet, man.
Yeah, actually, we came here to pick some mustard seeds.
And then where are all the herbs you collected?
Yeah, before that, we thought we'll go for a walk.
I understood. So you aspire to become a famous Ayurvedic doctor like your father, isn't it?
You know my father? You know me also?
I know everybody, okay?
What about name?
That and all I found out.
Hey, not that. What's your name?
Oh, Arati Vasudevan. Dad is
Oh.
Vasudevan, my mother Maithili, and my younger sister Atira.
I think he's going to spoil everything.
Shall I go and talk?
Hey,
keep quiet,
just be
man.
here. Shut your mouth, okay? I have an idea.
Actually, nobody is here. I am walking alone.
What about your friends?
Hey, I am not with them anymore. They are not good people. They always keep drinking alcohol.
Are you
You heard
satisfied?
that fellow? Okay, relax. He was just joking.
You know, I can't tell you. I am feeling very, very happy right now.
Let it be. Shall I leave then?
Huh.
There is a relative staying nearby.
Oh.
We should meet again. Hearing you talk makes me feel very good. And I like your style also. Bye.
Bye.
Hey!
Good, good.
What is this? Are you all dreaming?
Oh.
Something is going on.
Hey, it's nothing.
Hey, what happened?
Aha. I don't even have any words to say.
Huh? What is this? You're speechless? Brother, tell me frankly, who is that girl in your heart?
It's not mine.
Okay, you both are out. Now you tell me, among two of you, who is in love now?
Love? I'll kill both of you, let me
Hey.
tell you. You did not go to college today?
I don't feel like going to college today.
She doesn't go to college on Sundays.
I'll only find it out.
Okay.
Oh,
Shawl. Shawl.
huh?
Hmm.
It's better if she knows everything. Anyway, she'll know it one day.
Oh, what can I say? When I was in 10th standard, I gave love letter to someone and my father stopped my education.
He has given love letter to his class teacher itself. Whose father will accept this?
He's very smart in this job.
Yeah, that's right.
Brother,
What?
see that?
Aradi.
You wicked thief. You wicked thief. She's a very brave young girl. She's come in search of her lover to his house.
Suma? Suma?
Hi, how are you? How come suddenly you're here? How did you find out the house?
When you have a famous father, how is it hard to find out your home?
Come, sit. Mom, Dad, we have a guest at home. Please be seated. Then tell me, what's special?
I'm doing very fine.
So that's the matter. She happens to be your sister's friend? Hmm?
Then something will happen today.
Dad, she's Aarti. I told you, no, my classmate.
Is it so? Please sit down, ma. And what's happening around?
Everything good, uncle.
What's the job your father doing?
He does business. He has a few companies.
Is it so?
Small company? Dad, she's a big shot.
Where are all the others?
You're asking about my brother only, no? He's standing outside with his friends.
All the problem faced in this village is nobody but his brother only. Because of him only.
Oh, that was an insult.
Brother, come here everyone. Somebody has come to see you.
How the hell will I come there? We are already insulted. Why is my father like this?
Hey, you should not speak like this.
Hey, that's not right. I didn't look at his face and tell, na?
Oh, is that so? Hey guys, come. Let's move there.
These four are one gang. He's head of the family also and headache also. Stop all this. Nothing like that, dear. All the naughty things that they do. You know what? He is the reason for all that naughty things.
Hey, they are all my friends.
See? He is the one who is born with me, my brother, Sudhindran.
Dear,
Ah.
please go and bring tea.
Okay.
So, what's happening? I asked, you didn't tell.
Yeah, special news is there, Dad. You go invite yourself, Aarti. And then invite my brother also.
On the 20th of this month, it's my wedding.
Oh, that's good.
Bridegroom is Dr. Sandeep. You all bless her and wish her a happy life.
Happy. Very good. Be well. The God's blessings are always there for you.